What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Now, I'm a big fan of XRP. Everyone knows this. Every single person that comes through these videos knows that I'm a huge fan of XRP. And I always want to hold more. I think 35,000 is a great level, but I'm very tempted. Every time I gather more XRP, I'm like, I should just hold it for the long term because I feel like XRP is going to be massive. However, there are a lot of people that believe XRP is just not worth it. XRP will never be worth it, will never be what people claim for it to be. And I understand where you're coming from. I love to hear people out, hear the best case scenario, the worst case scenario. I like to lower my expectations to make sure that I'm not looking for this to automatically go to $30,000 or $10,000, but having certain levels to where I'm selling and having a well-established exit plan is key. But when I understand everything that XRP can potentially be, that's something that really tells me that this is going to be worth a lot, right? I look at even just the simple fact that it seems like the SEC is just trying to keep XRP down. And I don't know what the issue is here, right? I feel like they're trying to just take XRP and or take Ripple and just trying to get money from them, unlimited money from these companies, just like they did with Kraken, right? They took $20 million from Kraken by, saying that they violated, securities laws and all that stuff. And then they wanted to take more. And now they're suing Coinbase and they sue Binance and they get $4 billion there. And it's like, it's more about the money and it's not about any type of laws or regulations. It's about, hey, we can kind of walk this tightrope here and say, you're violating securities laws and we're going to go ahead and fine you. We're going to go ahead and take some money from you because we need that money. We need to pay off our debt. And most likely it's not going to go to that. It's going to go to other places that, we don't really need it to go to. But the point is that they're looking to just gather a bunch of money with all of these situations, with all of these litigations, all of these lawsuits that are happening, right? And while also doing that, they're also looking to keep the crypto market down, keep the crypto market at bay, right? I feel like no matter what, crypto is going to explode. Everybody knows this. It already has made a huge move, but it's not at that explosion level yet. We know that it's going to be worth multiple tens of trillions of dollars in the near future. And that being said, the SEC really wants to keep it down. So with this lawsuit against Ripple that has gone on for 3+ years and probably will have more extensions and more appeals and just keep pushing it along until they get the money that they want, they're looking to get, not only 20 million, they're looking to get, 700 plus million dollars from Ripple, for violating securities laws. And honestly, that just doesn't make sense. And I know Ripple's willing to fight it and they're willing to spend just as much just so that it doesn't go to the SEC, right? They're willing to spend even more just so the money does not go to them. And it shouldn't because they're just trying to nitpick in a large way. And I think when it's all said and done, XRP will be worth kind of what we're all thinking it will be worth, like, tens, hundreds of dollars. And we will be sitting pretty as long as you saw the opportunity. For all the people that don't see the opportunity, I'm not saying that you won't have gains elsewhere, but I just think that, maybe you're missing out on a little bit of an opportunity here with XRP, knowing that the government is so against this play, against what they've done, right? And they're just trying to keep them down. So I want to talk about XRP in this video, which I've already kind of talked about it a lot. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Don't forget about Margex if you guys want to trade XRP or leverage trade XRP up to 50x leverage. You can do that on Margex. So if you like XRP, feel free to go ahead and check that out. Like I gained an extra $7,000 free of XRP by trading the right way. And especially as we see these dips, you can find a way to bounce back and gain a little bit more as time goes on. But XRP currently stands at around 60 cents. It's been hovering flat around these areas between, let's say, 50 and 70 cents, with the max hitting like 75. I think the more recent max that we've seen has been like 96 cents, but it retraced from there pretty quick after, the SEC decided to say, you know what, we can put through an appeal and we're going to file for this appeal. Even though that was denied and you had a little bit of strength there, it's still about the uncertainty with the case and where XRP will be because of it. But if you haven't noticed by now, this is more of a rant video, right? More of just a conversational video, and I want to hear what your guys' perspective is on where you believe XRP will be, where you believe Ripple will be, and where you think this whole securities conversation is going to be. Because, it seems to not go away. This has been a conversation for years at this point. I mean, ever since you see XRP labeled as that, right? It's been a conversation for years when it should just be, hey, we're trying to figure out what would classify this as security and what wouldn't. But no, it's just, I want to be able to gather money because we label this as a security. But even though it's not legally a security, you just want to take money from Kraken and Coinbase and all these other places. So it's a problem. Now I have $21,211.39 worth of XRP, and I'm not letting go of that. Obviously, if it decreases, I have less amount. I believe before the last time we looked at XRP, I had like 23 or 24,000 because XRP was hovering around like the 68-cent mark, 7 or 70 cents level. But it's still sitting at a $33 billion market cap and has $4.2 billion worth of volume. It wouldn't, if people thought XRP was dead and it didn't have no type of strength within it, you wouldn't see $4.2 billion going through the position. It's up 125%, and you're seeing multiple billions of dollars that are going through this play. It is a very popular play. It's just the uncertainty is kind of keeping it down. The SEC is kind of keeping it down. So, in my opinion, when I look at XRP, if we wanted to break down everything, I think XRP is the future of crypto. Whether you believe that Solana's there, Ethereum or BTC or whatever they do, I believe XRP is the future of crypto. When it comes to the future of banking, when it comes to the future of utilizing crypto and what the overall worth of the top position is, it will be XRP, and it probably will be multiple trillions of dollars that it ends up getting to. Because of the transactions behind what it is and what it can do, behind the banking implementation. If you have that tied to it with Ripple partnering up with all these banks, it's just a no-brainer to understand that this is the future of where crypto is. Now, we still have the uncertainty, and we're still going to be hovering here, which means that it's more time to accumulate XRP in the long run. But that's up to you guys to make that move. So guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. I really want to know what you guys think about XRP. I know there's a lot of haters and a lot of fans. I'm not going to call you guys haters. There's a lot of people that don't like XRP, and there's a lot of people that do like XRP. And there's also people in the middle that you have to either convince to like or not like XRP. And I'm not here to convince you guys. I want you to make the decision for yourself. I know there's a lot of news out there. There's a lot of speculation, and there's a lot of, again, uncertainty. But I want you guys to make that decision, and I want to know what you guys think in the comment section below. But if you could, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to start trading on Margex, that link is in the description as well. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.